Welcome students. For this tutorial, I am teaching you how to do or make a color wheel from scratch. First, you're going to need some round objects. It's going to need a straight edge. And then afterwards, you'll need your acrylics or watercolors or whatever you choose to paint. To begin, grab anything round that will help me create this shape here in this situation, scenario. Got a giant gallon to paint. You can use a plate at home. You can use a plate, a frisbee, anything rounded in shape. All right, next thing you're gonna do is try to find the center. The center is really important. The absolute center is the point, like in math, it's the center. It's where the radius would go to, right? Or where the diameter would cut through. All right, the next thing you're gonna need is your flat shape. I'm gonna take this book, Ferdinand, if you read it, you should. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dissect this in half. Make sure that you're drawing, that you are maybe drawing softly to begin with, just in case you mess up. All right, next is another cross section. This time, creating that perfect T, so your lines are fairly perpendicular. All right, so now right now I have, now we have 4 equal sections. All right, so first it was a line cutting it this way, then a line going horizontally, so vertically, horizontally. Next, what we need to do is calculate 3 equal parts. And this is gonna be eyeballed. What I'm trying to do is create 3 even shapes, 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna do that to each of the sections. 1, 2, 3. Not to be exact. An eyeball teaches you to be cognizant of your lines. Oops. You're using a sharpened pencil for this process. Nothing like working with a really dull pencil. Pencils will give you bad results. I'm gonna go like right there. Changing mine up a little bit, just so it fits. What you're doing is creating, call a color wheel. Look, I missed my middle mark. It's gonna be okay. There you go, close enough. It's a little off in the middle, but it's all right, it's gonna work. All right, the next thing you need is another round shape, because you need to divide this into 2 equal parts, 2 additional parts. So for this, I found a yogurt lid or sour cream, something like that. Try to make this so it's perfectly center. So its epicenter is the same as the center in the middle for us. And then lastly, we need 1 more ring. I'm gonna use the inner part of this roll of tape. Just gotta find what you can. You can also eyeball it. All right, and then you got 3. So you got 1 ring, 2 rings, 3 rings. Let's go ahead and label this. This is gonna be your yellow. All right, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3. And on the 4th one, call that red. I'm gonna call 1, 2, 3, count 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be blue. All right, these 3 colors, right there, right here, red, yellow, blue. Those 3 colors are called your primary colors. All right. The next colors we're going to talk about, secondary colors, are green, purple, and orange. Tertiary colors, which basically means your third colors are, there's several of these. So we're gonna paint these in that particular order. So here's blue, got blue, got yellow, you got red. All right, now let's paint.